Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Doug with a vlog coming at you with a brand new video, and today, I can't tell if this is getting any of what I need it to get. It's Doug with a vlog coming at you with a brand new video, and today we've got a brand new unboxing. Once again, back to our old roots. Our unboxing instrument is the humble Phillips head screwdriver, and of course the bottle of Aquafina, which we will drink quickly. Obviously, as you can see by the title, this is the Air Max 1 in the anniversary colorway. A little bit of context on this shoe. I wanted it when it initially released. I'm sorry, I'm super tired. It's been a super long ass day, but I basically wanted these shoes when they first dropped maybe a year ago. I think it was for Air Max Day when they actually dropped, which is coming up now for the anniversary. And I couldn't get them, I missed out on them, and so I ended up getting the ultra version of the Air Max 1 with the 326 on the tongue. I still have them, and I fucking hate them. I don't know why I bought them. It was definitely like a consolation loss, and I thought I was kind of done doing that, but I guess I was wrong. And I continued to miss them. I actually, weirdly enough, recently there was a restock on the Sneakers app, and I did get a pair reserved, but my Nike Sneakers app, for whatever reason, didn't send me a notification. Maybe they don't send notifications. Whatever the case may be, I wasn't notified until after the fact that I had a pair when the offer was expired. But luckily, we were able to get our hands on them from an unlikely place. This is actually from Feature, which is a Las Vegas boutique. This is not the first shoe I got from Feature. I also got a pair of New Balance, the New Balance 574 Connoisseur's Guitar, which is actually one of my most watched videos. I got those from Feature as well. They threw in a nice little dust bag with that pair of shoe, which they didn't do with these. Already off-rip, we got a fire-ass box of shoes here. So starting, we have the orange box with the silver, with sort of like these almost racing stripes that wrap all the way around. The orange top, no Nike on the top except for over here with the Nike Air. It actually says Nike Air 30th anniversary, so that's a really nice little touch. And then we've got the sizing label here in gray. I did go true size. I usually do true size in all of my Air Max shoes. So I'm pretty excited and hoping these fit because I definitely did not think I was going to be able to get these, so to have them is awesome. It says on the inside here, is a little thing, it says Air Max 1 Anniversary. On March 26, 1987, something more than a shoe was born. The Air Max 1 was like nothing we'd ever seen before. Visible, blah, blah, okay. You know, it's the history of the shoe, it's awesome. Nike paper, it says Nike on it here. Let's take a look at the shoe, bro. Fuck all this noise. Oh my god, I'm so fucking happy I have these, bro. Here they are, the Air Max 1. They look really long, actually. I hope these are gonna fit me. But these are them, the Air Max 1 in the anniversary colorway, obviously. Red, gray, and white is the color scheme on this sneaker. Let's go ahead and just jump into the shoe. On the bottom here, we have obviously black on the outsole with white Nike Air here, with more black around the heel. And then we have all white midsole and then a white Air unit. This is the first shoe with the Air unit exposed, apparently. And then we've got, basically on the upper, it's almost a suede. It's like a pretty shit suede, if I'm being honest. Red that kind of wraps around the entirety with gray, and then a white mesh that's sort of on the toe box, so you won't have to really run into creasing. But it's sort of almost an off-white or grayish suede that makes up a lot of the shoe. And then we have, of course, the OG Nike Air stitched in. On the tongue, it's like a white canvas tongue once again, or maybe it's more of a, it's got kind of like a shiny canvas. A canvas with some sheen. And it's got the Nike Air patch. And as you guys know, if you're fans of the channel, that I fucking love patches on shoes. And then on the inside, we have Nike Air in white on the red insole. Not too much to say. There's been a dozen reviews on these. I am hoping that they fit. They look really, really fucking long. Like, okay, I guess maybe not. They're about the same as my NMDs that I'm wearing. So maybe they're not that long. I don't know, I'm just so happy to have this shoe. I think this thing is so fucking clean. The laces are fucking bungled though, so we might have to do something about that. But this is the shoe, Air Max 1 anniversary, the first of the first, and an awesome Air Max shoe that I'm happy to add to my collection. Definitely let me know what you guys think of the shoe if you guys were able to pick it up. I know that I've seen them kind of popping up and restocking everywhere. So if you guys have the opportunity to pick them up and you want the shoe, definitely keep it locked on Sneaker Shout's Twitter. I hype them up every time, and you should be able to get them for retail and not have to pay that resale price. If you did pay resale for them, I'm sorry, but that is life. I appreciate all the support on the last couple of videos that I've dropped on my Flyknit trainer video. It's gotten more views than I'm normally getting, so I appreciate that from everybody who's watching that video and this video, and I hope that it continues and having a good time. I hope you guys are too. But I'm Dog with a Vlog, and I'll talk to you guys super soon.